Hi, this is Sherry Lukey, and this is a tapping audio for being afraid of body sensations. Always taking full responsibility for your mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. Taking a really nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And starting on the side of the hand. Even though I'm afraid of these sensations in my body, I want to remind myself I'm safe in this moment. Even though I'm afraid that these sensations mean that something's wrong, that something bad is going to happen. I want to acknowledge this fear now. Even though I feel paranoid of any body sensations, I want to be compassionate and understanding with myself. Top of the head. I'm afraid of the sensations in my body. Eyebrow. But I want to remind my subconscious side of the eye that the fear I'm feeling is not a threat to my survival. Under the eye. It feels like it is, but it isn't. Under the nose. There's a difference between under the chin. Me just thinking about a threat and an actual threat. Collarbone. I'm safe in this moment. Under the arm. I want to acknowledge all the evidence I have from the past. Onto the ribs. Evidence that when I felt a sensation in my body, onto the wrist, something bad happened. Top of the head. So I want to be compassionate with myself. Eyebrow. And acknowledge all this evidence. Side of the eye. Because I understand why it would trigger me. Under the eye. And I also want to look for all the times I've been okay. Under the nose. When nothing went wrong. Onto the chin. And nothing bad happened. Collarbone. And even if I can't think of any right now, under the arm, I'm open and willing to remember times. Onto the ribs. times when nothing went wrong. Onto the wrist. Because my past does not have to define my future. Top of the head. What if it could be possible for me eyebrow to be curious about these body sensations? Side of the eye. Be open to listening to my body's wisdom. Under the eye. To believe that it's safe to listen to my body's information. Under the nose. What if I could realize that despite all that's happened, under the chin, I'm still here and I survived. Collarbone. And now's the perfect time to begin to thrive. Under the arm. And thriving starts with changing my beliefs and thoughts. Onto the ribs. I choose to believe that I can thrive. Onto the wrist. Even if part of me doesn't believe that I can, top of the head. Another part of me wants to believe that I could. Eyebrow. So even though part of me might be afraid of these sensations, side of the eye, I want to acknowledge them under the eye. And remind myself I'm safe. Under the nose. To look past all the evidence. Under the chin. To create something different. Collarbone. I can choose how I think and feel. Under the arm. I choose to believe I can thrive. Onto the ribs. That it's safe for me to release all this fear. Onto the wrist. That it's safe for me to relax. And taking a really nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Be sure that you are tapping twice a day or whenever you feel stressed so that you can soothe your nervous system and reprogram your subconscious mind. And remember, when you heal the relationship with yourself, everything changes for the better.